And welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, how many of you remember Yul Edochie best friend, a brother from another mother? The man has finally cried out. The man have come out to expose the secret relationship of Yo and Juju Ekwensu. When we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all. My people, exactly the same story of Two-Face, Two Baba. Na it dey happen for here o. Na it dey happen for here. Yul Edochie best friend say they should save Yul Edochie before it is too late. The same best friend that advised Yul Edochie that Juju Ekwensu is the best for him. Now I make them say make them not follow people matter. Una see the same man when he talks say Yul Edochie should follow Juju Ekwensu that supported Yul Edochie and Juju Ekwensu. The same man now don't cry come aside. Say they should save Yul Edochie before it is too late. Wonder shall never end. My people, make una carry una joko, make una carry chair, make una come here to read. Hey, this one that they call not all that glitter is gold. Now, my lovely fans, according to Yul Edochie best friend, that says if he not talk, his conscience go judge am till him kpai. He say he cannot keep this at all. He say he no go allow this thing to repeat himself for the second time. He say he don't want Yul Edochie to go through what he went through at the very first time. Hey. Wonder shall never end though. According to Yul Edochie best friend, when they say he don't carry matter go meet Peter Edochie, tell Peter Edochie say come and save your son. If you want, say make your son bury you, make it not be the other way round, God forbid. Say now papa call the bury pikin, God forbid. He say make Peter Edochie take action. Make it take action. Which one all of them just fall down? Yul Edochie they go small. Now they come ask Yul Edochie best friend say, what is the problem? What happened? This man opened his mouth. Hey, be like say Two-Face situation even better pass Yul Edochie. Yes, Two-Face better pass Yul Edochie. My lovely fans, according to Yul Edochie best friend, Yul Edochie best friend said he has seen Juju Ekwensu in a lot of diabolical things when she did do. But he never took it serious because he know that Juju Ekwensu is not from a Christian background. They are idol worshippers. Strong one for that matter. Starting from their great parents come reach till now. None of Juju Ekwensu family know what they call church. None of them. According to him, say when he and Yul Edochie go Juju Ekwensu village, when they go see Juju Ekwensu family, he said he was surprised that at this millennial generation where we did so, this Jay-Z generation where we did so, some people are still backward to idol worshiping like this. He said none of them even know what they call Jesus Christ, what they call Christianity. He said they don't even know anything about it. He said all the family of Juju Ekwensu, he said they are all idol worshippers. He said when they see the way these people carry idol worshiping, he thought that it was just part of them. It was kind of strange. He can't tell Yul Edochie, say, Yul Edochie, which kind Juju family be this one? He said Yul Edochie told him that Juju Ekwensu is not part of them, that Juju Ekwensu is a Christian, even if she comes from a pagan worshiping family. Not knowing that Juju Ekwensu was using that fake Christianity to deceive Yul Edochie. Now remember, I said that they do morning devotion, that they pray. That time where they are snatching love, they shack them. Wonder shall never end. So he said what he saw in their village. He said when Yul Edochie go there, he said wait till he see. That day now he swear say that he will never accompany Yul Edochie to Juju Ekwensu village again. He said everything there was just diabolic. Like a kind of diabolic thing where be say go they scare you. Just to welcome them. They buy fowl, the fowl blood, they use and take do their leg. Like, is it by force? Who does that? He said that is what they did to them. He said they tell Yul Edochie, say, Yul Edochie, be like, so we can't leave these people. Say Yul Edochie, they tell and say, remember, Juju Ekwensu is not part of them. He said now later, now they come say, even Juju Ekwensu, now be their champion. She was just pretending. He said then it was already too late because Yul Edochie was already into Juju Ekwensu then. He said he no constantly talk. He constantly close his mouth. He said not until he went to Abuja. Una know say this Yul Edochie friend go Abuja, go visit Yul Edochie. He said he spent 1 week in Abuja. He said he was meant to spend 2 weeks because he and Yul Edochie, they get one business deal where they want to. He said enough he spend 2 weeks for the house. He run go stay hotel. He said Yul Edochie called. They say, no, why will you rent hotel when you are in Abuja when he has a house? He said, I tell Yul Edochie, say, no, Yul Edochie, no worry. He won't see the hotel, no say children dey, he no want inconvenience anybody. He said, not be because of that one. He said, na run. He told Pete Edochie that while he went to visit Yul Edochie in Abuja, he said when he got there, he said everything was going well, everything was cool. Like if you see Juju Ekwensu and Yul Edochie, the same vibe that she was giving him, that he saw and said, no, this woman is a good woman. Like she's always she have this pretending character in her. He said, so that was the first vibe which Juju Ekwensu give. He said he himself was happy for them. He said not until he and Yul Edochie can't go club that night. He said when they went to club, they can't come back late. They can't enter house. He said as they enter house, Juju Ekwensu the verse. Like when they asked Yul Edochie, say, what is happening? Look like Juju Ekwensu is not happy. Like say they two come back late. He said Yul Edochie said, don't mind her. If she verse, she'll go sleep with the concern. I beg, forget that one. That is not his problem. So that was the reply he said Yul Edochie gave to him. He said now Juju Ekwensu enter house. He said this one not be say for backyard. This one not be say in the sleep or in the dream. He said Juju Ekwensu enter house. The next thing they see Juju Ekwensu walking towards them again. He said Yul Edochie come dey talk. Say this woman you want to start. You want to start. This woman you want to start. He said as Juju Ekwensu just reach there. He said Juju Ekwensu blow white chalk for Yul Edochie face. He said he was sitting there. It is not something that they told him. He said Juju Ekwensu won't deny him may come meet him. He said Juju Ekwensu blow a white chalk on Yul Edochie face. He said the next thing. He said now so Yul Edochie mellow. Now Juju Ekwensu ask her, I ask you again, where are you coming from? He said Yul Edochie started begging. Because he went out to. He said everything where they do. Everything that happened between him and Yul Edochie. He said now so Yul Edochie begin to tell Juju Ekwensu. Started begging Juju Ekwensu on top. Juju Ekwensu, please forgive me. He said mouth open, mouth not let him close. Yeah? He said now Juju Ekwensu was not telling Yul Edochie, you see what just happened, don't try it next time. Don't try it next time. Say Yul Edochie put his 2 knees for ground, they beg. He said he come confused. Then he now pretend as if waiting 2 of them they do, they talk no consigner. He come by do like person will concentrate on his phone. But his eyes have already seen the unimaginable. That means anytime Yul Edochie be like, he won't challenge Juju Ekwensu, there is this white shock that they blow on his face and he will turn back and return back to be they are efulefu. So, my lovely fans, according to Yul Edochie's best friend, Yul Edochie's best friend said throughout his stay in Abuja, he said the kind diabolical things that was going on. He said any food wey dem dey eat, e dey different from what Yul Edochie dey eat. No be the same food wey they eat now that they give Yul Edochie. He said Juju Ekwensu get one meat they feed on Yul Edochie. He get one meat when they give Yul Edochie, make it they eat. Say now only Yul Edochie go just come, go say open your mouth, he go put on. He said once Yul Edochie eat that meat finish, he said the man no go even get sense till they talk well. Hey, Chineke. Yul Edochie's best friend said, if you want to go and bathe, you know where person they enter bedroom. So he said no. He said Juju Ekwensu they prepare Yul Edochie bathing water like spiritual water where they want to do cleansing. He said now so he go dey pour things for inside water. He said there is one bucket. The bucket is white color of bucket. He said the bucket is red. One red bucket. He said the bucket big, one big red bucket. He said now so Juju Ekwensu go pour water for that bucket. Then she will start pouring different kind of things inside that water. She go dey talk, she go dey pour substance. She go dey talk, she go dey pour different substance inside that water. He said water where Yul Edochie take the bath, the water that Yul Edochie use in bathing, he said is different from every other person own. Because Yul Edochie own is well prepared. They will do incantations and everything on that water. Then they will not take the water to the bedroom before Yul Edochie go bath. Hey, wonder shall never end. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. Subscribe to Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. To all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all. In Jesus' name, inshallah. Amen. Wonder they say shall never end. Yul Edochie say best friend say, he said the cream when Yul Edochie go to rub na special cream. According to what they told Yul Edochie, they said it's to protect Yul Edochie. It's for his protection. That is what they told Yul Edochie. But to him, there is more than that. So, according to Yul Edochie's best friend, he says strange things where I see. He said one way shock and one night Yul Edochie tie white cloth, pack white chalk till rub body. I asked Yul Edochie, say, what is this? He said, yeah, it's protection. Juju Ekwensu said they want to attack him this night. He should sleep like this. The man said different kind of juju when Juju Ekwensu they use on Yul Edochie. He said he no even still complain. He no even still talking quiet. He said all this juju thing is not even the main issue because after all, now Yul Edochie, now they find second wife they go. He said so, I wish it is only the juju they are using on Yul Edochie. He said for good. He said bet Juju Ekwensu they raise a hand on Yul Edochie. He said forget all those social media odogu one at the sea. He said before he decided to carry his bag and run away from the house, he said it was what he started seeing. Juju Ekwensu could not even hide that character. He said that juju aspect, he see everything, but he was not still complaining after all. Now Yul Edochie they find second wife. All of them they do chop and clean out. Now Yul Edochie, now he go carry enough he do chop and clean out. Decided to become odogu for inside Juju Ekwensu bekus. So he said that was not even the issue. The main issue is that after 3 days of Juju Ekwensu pretending, she couldn't pretend anymore. He can't hear Juju Ekwensu and you when they quarrel. He said no, he no go shook mouth for this matter. Make him just day in day. The voice was getting higher, like the quarrel was getting tough. So he couldn't bear it. He have to go there. He said, as he reached there, he said, see the way Juju Ekwensu was shouting on Yul Edochie. Before he go even talk, why for Juju Ekwensu was Yul Edochie, not be small. He said the next thing I saw Juju Ekwensu carry Yul Edochie, correct beating. Juju Ekwensu's son, when he get for Mr. Obasi, joined out with the mother and they started beating Yul Edochie. He said, thank God saying they dead that day. He said, thank God that he was there. He was the one that not saved Yul Edochie from them. Juju Ekwensu and her son were on top of Yul Edochie. He said, no be smoke baskos. He said, no be smoke baskos. He said, God, they hold them. He said, I see the hold them. I saw Juju Ekwensu's son push her, come off for road. He said, me come off for them, they let them deal with this man. Ah. He said he was surprised. Is this not Odogu Yul Edochie? Hey! He said Juju Ekwensu was telling the daughter, bring Beth, let us wipe him. Yeah, man. Yeah, promise and faith, man. You be doing Odogu, nothing for your pockets. Do you think you can talk anyhow here? She will deal with you. Say Yul Edochie like that for ground, they beg. Say mama and pikin dey on top of this man. They grasp this man. Say na go enter. Because they try to separate them. Say Juju Ekwensu told you say, you get luck, say your friend there. You for a year and today. So he feel that maybe this man don't want to talk. He say, nah, leave her. He say the next day again. He say in the evening, now they still wake him up. He do the hear, bah. He say this time around there, he say you can hear the hot slap from anywhere. Ikpa, ikpa, ikpa. As he dey hear the slap now, I say no. Make it not be like say, now yo, though the bass both Juju Ekwensu, because get where man go be a rich. The man go say, I cannot take it anymore. I want to retaliate. He say, God, they surprised, say, now yo, now they see the beat. Hey! He said, Juju Ekwensu and her family, they were, Juju Ekwensu and her children, they were bass boasting Yul Edochie. Now I could hear Juju Ekwensu. What did happen? Then I could tell Juju Ekwensu, it's okay. Try relax. Juju Ekwensu say relax for what? Say before you know what did happen. Hey, Juju Ekwensu's son don't rush Yul Edochie. Juju Ekwensu join hand. All of them join hand together. They started bass-boasting Yul Edochie. He said also they did bass-boast this man. He said not be small thing. He said Yul Edochie was shouting for help. He said Juju Ekwensu just carry Yul Edochie. He said they'll just pin her for ground. He said Juju Ekwensu way they could just. He said Juju Ekwensu's son way they could just they use Yul Edochie head they hit war. Say yeah stepfather. Yeah stepfather. We no fit take action. You cannot fight for them. You cannot even do things for them. You cannot even give them what they want. Which kind of fake stepfather are you? Say Yul Edochie on that beating. Yul Edochie go see the promise and they beg. He said now he knows why Yul Edochie money not the day pocket. Say now I know. Say the beating when they beat Yul Edochie not be here. Say they beat this man. Say that very day they were watching football in the parlor. While they were watching football, he said Juju Ekwensu just came and she off the TV. He said Yul Edochie got angry and Yul Edochie started challenging her. He said, he said not talk because in the see what they happen since then. I say, make this man challenge this woman. And now you they do Odogu. If you do any, give her correct bass for her face, make you reset her brain. He said, so Yul Edochie, the very first time you see Yul Edochie, they challenge them. He said, God, they give a guy power. Say, Yul Edochie finally have come out to challenge them. He said, so before you know what was happening, he said, Juju Ekwensu enter his house, carry white powder, blow for Yul Edochie face. After he blow white powder for Yul Edochie face finish, now Juju Ekwensu romance mami water, call his son come outside. Now they start again with Yul Edochie in his very own presence. He said Juju Ekwensu was telling Yul Edochie, Ina puala, Yul Edochie, ina puala. Are you joking with her? Do you know who she is? He said this time around, they don't pour white chalk for Yul Edochie face. He said, na so Juju Ekwensu begin to shout. Give me your phone. Give me your phone. He said, na so Juju Ekwensu collect phone. Who you talk to when you get right to talk to her? He said, Juju Ekwensu know Yul Edochie password, everything. Na so he open for enter phone. He said, when they wonder, Juju Ekwensu did not see him there. He looked like invisible person. He said that was how Juju Ekwensu was commanding. He said, no be small thing when he eye see. He said after that incident, now he said no, he not stay here again. He not stay to see all these things they happen. He said, now so he carry bag he take go hotel. He said that few weeks that he's supposed to stay with Yul Edochie because of what they have to do. He said they have to go and stay in the hotel. What is the need staying with them? When he be say, now so bass goes now they go on. He say carry bag run. Say run. So he told Pete Edochie that all this juju wey Juju Ekwensu sister they do one for Yul Edochie here too. That this juju wey Juju Ekwensu sister they do, if she is not doing protection, it is Yul Edochie head they are working on. He say all these things, say na Yul Edochie head that they work put. He say anytime Yul Edochie won't get voice, he say Juju Ekwensu go blow something for her. So according to him now, he said this one where Juju Ekwensu not get authority over Yul Edochie. He said Percy don't tell and say that Juju Ekwensu and his sister that they work on Yul Edochie here seriously. Because that Yul Edochie phone and Juju Ekwensu they handle them. Now they control, now they write all those writing when they see, now she they write them. Because Yul Edochie phone not there now. When she take the control, now he make can they use her phone. If not, all this chenana where they go on now Yul Edochie phone. Now he for the poster. Yul Edochie best friend said Yul Edochie don't have voice in his house. He cannot talk. He cannot speak. He cannot do anything. He said forget Odogu when they see for social media. He said once he do the Odogu finish, Juju Ekwensu go tell Yul Edochie say look into my eyes. He said they not tell him. He said now when he go Abuja, now he eye see him. Now make me the speaker for pidgin English we go clear way. Make una they understand me. He said Juju Ekwensu go for he present he sit down there. He said Juju Ekwensu have very dirty character. Hey, he said if you stay with her for 1 week, he said you no go even reach 1 week, say you go run. If you not run because of the juju, you will run because of her character. He said if Yul Edochie just dey talk, he said go say Yul Edochie look into my eyes. He got the ask himself. Now he make a film that they act. Everything he saw in Hollywood, now Juju Ekwensu family house, now for the happen. Yul Edochie look into my eyes. He say, and that power, now Juju Ekwensu left eye. Now they say he did. Because if you look at left eye, be like upper swan. He said, she'll say, look into my eyes. Once Yul Edochie look into that eyes, Otilo, everything will be under the control of Juju Ekwensu. He said, this woman is so fake that she will come out on social media. I've been doing as if Odogu is in control of the house. He said, who dash Odogu? Who dash Yul Edochie? He said, Yul Edochie, where God already give a punishment, make it go suffer for Juju Ekwensu hand. He said, this family are dealing with this man. He said, Nana, you understand how Yul Edochie take carry his family savings account, take go they give Juju Ekwensu and the family. Nana, I know. He said they control this man. He said even go to Juju Ekwensu, children, they will join the mother and they will be beating this man. He said the anger of Juju Ekwensu now is that Yul Edochie phone wey no dey fit control. That pepper them picture video where she dey post. They say na she oh. His friend say na she, say na Juju Ekwensu dey do am. You see all those dance where they dance when Kambili Chukwu be RIP. Say na Juju Ekwensu. The man say Yul Edochie is his friend. He's not saying it because Yul Edochie is his friend. He said na Juju Ekwensu. He said once me Edochie just do one thing. He said Juju Ekwensu. He said once me Edochie post anything like this. He said Juju Ekwensu tell Yul Edochie, so you want this your wife to rape us? You oja where cloth me we go. Yul Edochie not get voice. Say father should save him. Oh. They should go and save him. They should save him from Juju. They should save him from Juju Ekwensu and her family hand. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. When we thought we've seen it all. So this is exactly what is happening. The best friend has cried to the father that they should save Yul Edochie. They should not allow Juju Ekwensu's sister, Imirimiri Ezewine, to succeed again to tie Yul Edochie down. Because that thing now that they work now. All these things they are doing, they are working for Juju Ekwensu, they are doing prayer. Say now Yul Edochie head though. Say person don't tell and say that they do something on top of Yul Edochie head seriously. He begged the father of Yul Edochie. Say this is not person tell him. Everything he's saying here is what he saw with his eyes. Yul Edochie, look into my eyes. Look my eyes. Look at it very well. He said, now so Juju Ekwensu they tell Yul Edochie. He said, waiting, I not see remain one. The way God take turn their peace of mind into pieces of mind is sweet me. Bele dey sweet me. The way God really dealt with all these men that find their pieces of mind in the name of looking for peace of mind. I really love the way God is teaching them, Pepe. Just imagine their situation. Hey. Just imagine what Yul Edochie is going through. No wonder if this man see where they run, come off for Abuja, they agree go back. They say they've already turned Yul Edochie house into their own. They don't already make Yul Edochie home their home. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. Inshallah.